Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Kumusta na kaya itong hiling ng ibang grupo ng mga teachers na wala ng inset sa semestral break, Yung tinawag nilang mid-school wellness break for learners and teachers. Wala naman talagang wellness break, Ito po talaga ay inset. Sa katunayan ay naglabas po ng memo ang DepEd through the Office of Undersecretary sa Learning System. Ito, yung guidelines on the conduct of the school year 2025-2026 in service training for teachers or NSET, In service training for teachers or NSET. Ito po ay mangyayari sa October 27 to 30, 2025. Kasi yung 31 yan ay special non-working holiday. Tapos yung meron po itong primary goal, Ano ba yung goal ng NSET? Tingnan po natin. By the way, itong memo na ito ay talagang in-upload pa ulit ito sa mga pages at saka website ng DepEd sa division level. Na talagang ito yung gagawin ng teachers. Yung NSET, una ay yung goal niya ay reflective practice and instructional refinement in the implementation of revised K-12 curriculum at saka oral reading program. So yan, so merong practice at saka instructional refinement. So ito yung i-inset. Another ay yung strengthening the inclusive instruction. Itong inclusive instruction ay para po ito sa mga person with disability at saka yung mga nasa indigenous students at saka iba pa. Strategies for promoting literacy and numeracy naman yung pangtatlo. Ito talaga yung focus natin ngayon, yung literacy at saka numeracy. Parang yung mga oral reading at saka oral math. Letter D, strategies for developing critical and creative thinking as well as other higher order thinking skills. Letter E, instructional strategies for non-major teachers handling Filipino in junior and senior high school. So mukhang itong Filipino ngayon ang kulang sa mga major na teacher, Unlike before na mathematics yung kulang na teacher. Then empowering teachers in socio-emotional learning in classroom instruction. Okay. Then letter G, strategies for supporting continuity of learning during emergency situation through flexible modalities, Kung paano ibibigay yung mga EDM. Letter H, accelerating digital adoption for effective and accessible learning delivery. So ICT po ito, yung inaano ngayon ng DepEd ay yung paggamit ng AI. Letter I, strengthening instruction and assessment in the alternative learning system. So sa ALS. Then letter J, enhanced delivery of guidance services by guidance designates in schools. At saka letter K, emerging needs based on teachers' individual professional development plan. So yun po yung mga primary goals na dapat nasa inset. So at saka nakalagay pa talaga yung PETSA, yung 4 na araw niyan ay dapat inset yung gagawin ng mga teachers. may instruction pa nga na yung all schools division superintendents and school heads shall ensure the implementation of the school year 2025-2026 INSET in accordance with the prescribed guidelines. Ito po yung guidelines na sinasabi nila. So yung iba dyan na nagti-team building sa panahon ng break, so di na po yan po pwede ngayon. Hindi na pwedeng papasyal-pasyal si teacher during the semestral break. So, yan. Then, eto, to ensure quality in the preparation and delivery of INSET, refer to DM UUSROD 2024-1576. Yung guidelines on the conduct of regional office, school division office, and school develop professional development program for the FY 2024. So guys, so yun po talagang INSET po talaga yung gagawin ng mga teachers during the semestral break. So mainam na lang itong tawaging semestral break kasi kung tatawagin itong mid-school wellness break, maraming nagre-react dyan pag wellness break. Hindi talaga maano ng teachers na yun ay wellness break. Eto, MOE naman yung gagamitin para sa activity na INSET, or meron ding mga fund yung galing sa division office. So, depende na rin yan sa inyong project proposal. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.